In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make manga in Midjourney. So I'm going to teach you two methods. One's paid and one is free. So first, the free method. What you want to do is go to Google or wherever you want to and find an image of some artwork that you like. So I'm going to find some. Make sure that I'm going to make sure it's a PNG file. Okay, let's say this. What we want to do, take it into Midjourney and do /describe. It's going to give you a box to upload your image. You can double click here and you can add the image. Now, what this is going to do is it's going to describe the image you have just sent it. So it's going to give you a description. It says there's one description here, there's a second description here, another description here, and another one here. Read through these and see which one is the most accurate. I'm just going to click number 2 just to be quick. Now, once you click that, it's going to generate you a prompt, and this prompt is going to then be submitted and try to recreate something like this. And as you can see, it started here. Now, while it does that, I'm going to show you the paid version. So, the paid version, you want to come onto this website called PromptBase. Now, PromptBase, you can buy prompts. So, I want to type manga on here. And I'm going to go to Midjourney here. And nice. So you can see here it's given us tons of different examples of what we're looking for. Now you may want something that's styled like this, you may want something that's styled like this. Let's say we're looking for a manga anime background. What we can do is we can go onto here and you're going to be able to generate yourself this image based on the prompts they give you. Now where it says human, that's just a watermark so you don't steal the image. So if you want to make something like this, you can click get prompt and they're going to give you the prompt needed to do this. They're also going to give you instructions on how to fully customize it to your liking. So if you want it to be a lava volcano, then you can do that. If you want it to be a waterfall, you can do that. They're going to teach you how to do that inside here. Now, lastly, we can go back to what we've just generated here. And you can see it's done a pretty good job at generating something based upon this. Now, you can take all these keywords here and you can just mix and match with them, fiddle around with them until you get something you like. Now, if you enjoyed this video, please like, subscribe and comment down below that it helped. Thank you for watching.